Thokozani emakhosini, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. So namhla nginiphathele i-video wena lothi gogo ngihlushwa isichitho, gogo angithandzeki, gogo angibonakali, gogo like like nami ngifuna ukuthi banginotice gogo like. So this video let me say this ritual name is not only for women but also for men as well. So it's for both genders kahle kahle. So a man can use it, a woman can use it as well, ne? So wena longathandzeki nayi ikhombo lana lengikuphethele yona longayiyenda ekhaya. So lana ngikuphathele ngiphathe cinnamon, nayi cinnamon, and then ngiphethe this lotion. Hope you can see this lotion. And then ngiphethe holy ash, nayi holy ash. I hope niyayibona, ngangibude ukuthi inanani. And then ngiphethe na this. So lana you can get a container, ne? Uthola a container le empty. I prefer ukuthi everything kube tinto letinyuwani, and then before you start using this ritual engitokukhomba yona, cala ucleanse kuqala. I hope siyavana. So what you're gonna do is that uthola a container le empty, and then utocala ngale lotion, utofaka le lotion yonke if you want, and then ufake nje cinnamon lencanyane, maybe half a teaspoon or a quarter, ne? And then ufake lana maybe ma droplets like 10 or 20, and then la ufaka kancane nale holy ash awuyifaki kakhulu, ifaka kancane, just a pinch, ne? And then i-container yakho, let me give you an example. Now mina sengimixile something like this. Let me just put this down and then don't vulela nginikhombe. So it's gonna be something like this. It's gonna look like this. I hope niyabona. So lena kutoba kuyi lotion yakho lotoyigcobisa whenever you're going out, whenever you're going to work. Angathi njena nawucatha kugeza gcobisa, itokusita kakhulu, itokuyenda ukuthi ubonakale, uthandzeke nje, attract whatever that you want to attract, ne? If it's the same gender, I'm just playing. If it's the different gender, like yeah, you attract lana, yakhona ukuthi ubonakale, yakhona ukuthi uthandzeke nje, uyadonsa, uyabonakala, like now ungena nje kubonakala wena. So yeah guys, I don't know if I should repeat this video in English or what, but yeah, those are the things that you're gonna be using so that you can be seen, be loved, you understand, ubonakale, uthandzeke and all that. So thokozani emakhosini. I don't want to make this video long, so thokozani, thank you guys for watching. Bye.